Hi everybody, it's Second Chance Adventures. I'm making coconut lentil curry today. I'm making this dish for my friend Tayana and her son Lapaka. They had some to go home the other day and they loved it and they wanted to learn how to make it. So I decided to just make a step-by-step video on how to make it. It's very simple, it's delicious, filling, vegan, it's beautiful. I love it. The colors are amazing. And just remember, the way I make it, you don't have to make it exactly the way I do. If you want to add more of something, go for it. If you want to add less of something, go for it. If you want to put something new in there, that's wonderful too. This is just how I make it in all my other cooking videos as well. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate a subscription to the channel. That would be very wonderful and loving. We're going to get there. One day we're going to get to 1 million subscribers. I know it. So let's get cooking. I have everything already prepped up and ready to go. We just need to put it all together and start cooking. All right, here we go. Here in our bowls, we have 15 ounces of coconut cream, 2 diced yellow onions, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and we have 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder, cumin powder, and garam masala. We have 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 cup of lentils, 3 cups of water, and 28 ounces of tomato sauce. Some people like to use diced tomatoes, but I personally like to use tomato sauce because it's smoother. Here we are at the step. I have a pan. There is a tablespoon of oil in there. We're going to let it heat up, and then we're going to add our garlic and onions in there. Just let it heat up just a little bit, but you don't want it to get too hot because we don't want to burn it. A lot of people will burn it. Don't do that. That's not good. So we're going to put in our onion and garlic, and in a few minutes we're going to let it get nice and brown and toasted. It's going to smell wonderful in the house, and then after that you just pretty much put everything else together, cook it, and really that's it. So let's walk through it. Here we go. We have our onion and garlic in the pan. It's cooking nice. Just remember to keep it nice and even and just flip it every few minutes. You don't want it to stick to the pan. It's going to smell delicious in here. Your neighbors are going to get jealous, but you know what? Let them get jealous because you're creating a masterpiece. A round of applause is coming your way. Now that my onions and garlic are all nice and cooked and sauteed and looking beautiful, I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. I went ahead and added the spices, the coconut cream, the lentils, the water, and mixed it all together. When you mix it all, you get this beautiful color. It's a reddish-orange color. Just make sure to stir it every few minutes. You don't want it to burn or stick to the pan. The lentils need to cook, and we need to make sure that it's cooked all the way. We'll be right back when it's getting closer. It's been a few minutes. Let's take a look at our dish. Look at that color. It looks so nice. It's getting a little thick. Just keep stirring it. Mixy, mixy, mixy. It is looking so wonderful. It smells so good in my house. I wish I could send you how good it smells. It is all coming together. The lentils are cooking. It looks beautiful. I love it. We're going to get there. Almost there. And the lentils are done. The way you can tell that they're done is if you just take a little bite of it and chew on it. They're not crunchy. You don't hear a little crisp when you bite into it. It's nice and soft and smooth, and it kind of just dissolves in your mouth. And it tastes so nice. It's very refreshing. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now that it's done. Here's what it looks like. Not too thick, not too thin. Still a little bubble. Looks nice. Now that we're done cooking, we're going to let it cool down, and let's just clean up the kitchen so we don't have to do it again later. Did you think you were going to get out of kitchen duty? You better get in here and help me clean up this kitchen right now. Fine, I guess I'll go ahead and do it myself. That looks much better. Now it's time to put it in a bowl. Oh my goodness, it turned out so wonderful. Look at that color. It's so refreshing. It has a wonderful fragrance. I can smell that lime after just cutting it. Ooh, Tayana, I wish you were here. Lapaka, I wish you were here. This is so good. Oh my goodness. You guys should be here right now to enjoy this. It's done. It's fragrant. It's beautiful. And I bet it's going to taste so good. Just for you, I'm going to do a quick little taste test. Oh my gosh. There's so much flavor in this. Without even tasting the cilantro. It's like I can taste it because of how strong the fragrance is. This is so wonderful and I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Tayana, Lapaka, this was for you. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I made you smile. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. I enjoy every day. I love it when you guys come over and visit me. You can come over whenever you want and hang out. Come over here and eat. And I'll see you guys later. Watch for the next video. Thank you.